Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to create viral memes on Thread app. If you want your post to blow up, memes are one of the fastest ways to get attention. Pick a trending topic, open the app and then go to search tab and then search for see what people are talking about. Is it about news, is it about updates or viral culture moments, etc. Create your meme. In Canva, Capture or Photoshop Express on your iPhone, use bold letter and clear images. Memes that get hit fast and get shared fast. Stick to a single joke. Quick punchline or reaction or that people will instantly get. Like, let's say I like the view. Let's say something like that, and then or write something funny or a line from a movie or something like that, and then share it during peak hours, morning, lunch breaks, evenings in your region. Early posting while a trend is hot boosts visibility. Reply to comments, make spin-off memes, and interact with people who repost yours. This drives the algorithm to push your content further. Safety tip: avoid using offensive or copyrighted content. Stick to free templates or your own spin on threads. In the caption, sometimes the timing, not the idea, is what makes it go viral. Subscribe for more quick fixes.